Everybody, and welcome back to another video. In this video, well, I'm just gonna be doing a fist tutorial. But before we start, I have a really important announcement. Guess what happened today? Yup, that's right. We hit 100 subscribers, guys. Let's go! 100 subscribers, and I've made 37 videos so far. This is gonna be number 38. Just watch. Yay, 100 subscribers. I'm so happy. Alright, whatever. So, yeah, on to the video. I'm doing a fist tutorial today because a lot of people messaged me saying, dude, can you do a fist tutorial? So I said, yeah, of course. So here it is. Okay, this most important thing. These shapes are the most important. A square, a triangle, a circle, another square, and a rectangle. These shapes will help you a lot. Alright, so you know how they have roofs, right? Yep, step 1 is to draw a roof shape. Like this. Step 2 is quite simple, just line down. Alright, so this is how your house is supposed to look like. Well, your house shape goes up and then comes down to the left a little and then back up and then here. Oop, this part took way too long to edit. Okay, and then you have one more line down. And this is the rectangle. So this is the basic shape that you need. And from this, what we're gonna do is just sculpt out how our fist is gonna look like. And now, what you wanna do is draw your basic shapes. The square. The triangle. The circle. The square. And the thumb is the rectangle. Now what I'm doing is just very simple, connecting everything together. And now what I'm doing is just lining everything with an 8B pencil. And now it's just time for shading. Okay, so what I'm doing now is just showing you guys what this fist is made up of. Like for example, a square, a triangle, a circle, another square, and finally we used a rectangle for this fist. Well, that's about it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share the video too. By the way, thank you for 100 subscribers, let's go. Alright, I'll see you guys tomorrow, bye.